Hey Glam Fam, what's poppin'? How is everyone doing today? The look. It's cute, right? So I'm gonna call this look Skittles.
Since our brows and our eyes have already been primed, we're going to go ahead and just jump into it. Starting out, we're using our to-go-to palette, the Zulu by Juvia's Place, and we're going to start out with that shimmer green. And when we apply this green, we're going to apply it to the inner corners of our eyes. Next, we're going to go ahead and switch to our Aurora Light palette by Beach Cosmetics, and we're going to go for that baby blue. Now, when we apply this baby blue, we're going to apply it right next to where we had that shimmer green. We're starting to build a gradient between colors. Here, we're switching and we're going into that deep purple. And again, we're applying this purple right next to where we had that baby blue. So it's going to go green, blue, and then purple. For the final color of this eyeshadow build, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go for that deep pink. And this will be that last color all the way in that bottom corner. After you have gotten all of your colors down in your lid, you want to make sure that you go back into each color and strengthen them, just in case you lost some during the blending process. Now we're going to go ahead and cut our crease. This is a white concealer by Conceal, and you're just going to apply this to the bottom part of the lid. You're going to look up, and then you're going to go ahead and cut that crease. Now that we've cut our crease, we're going to go ahead and switch to the Festivals palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going to go for that Pegasus White, and this time we're going to go ahead and just block in the entire cut crease with this color. Okay, looking back when I did this, I thought the white was going to be a really good addition, but it really wasn't. So I went ahead and switched colors, and I went for that tomato red in the Festivals palette, and then I just went ahead and blocked in that color. Now that we've blocked in our tomato red color, we're going to go back into those brushes with the colors from the end of our eyes, and we're just going to go ahead and blend that into that tomato red. So this is what we have so far. I'm pretty satisfied. This looks a lot better than it did when I had that white cut crease. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my face process, my foundation, blush, eyelashes. I will get back to you guys when I'm done. So this is what the look is like with lashes, foundation, blush, and all of that stuff. We actually don't have any blush in this video, we just have a natural glow. So now we're just going to go ahead and finish the look. We're going back into our Aurora's palette, and we're going for that deep pink, and now we're going to add this color underneath our bottom lash line. Now we're going to go ahead and add our highlight. This is the Kiss Professional Shimmer Palette. We're just going to add a little bit to our inner tear ducts, our nose, and the top of our brows just to accentuate everything. Here we're taking that basic black liquid liner and we're just going to really define that inner tear duct so we can create that feline eyeliner look. So now we're going to move on to our lip. I was trying to decide if I wanted to do this color, and I just decided to go ahead and do it anyway. This is like a standard plum purple lipstick that I got from my my drugstore. So now we're going to move on and we're going to add this plumping effect. So I went in with the NYX Liquid Suede liquid lipstick, and I only applied that to like the inner parts of my lip because this will make it look more plump and round. I felt like it was a little bit too on the pale side, so I went ahead with that NYX, the liquid cream, and I went in with a like a bubblegum pink. I only put a little bit just to give, you know, that lip some color. And now I'm going in with the Tony Dash lipstick, the 944F, and this is like a nude pink. So I'm pretty satisfied with the look. This is the final look. Let me know what you ladies think about this in the comments. Would you like this? Would you wear it? What do you think about the lips? So yes, go ahead and join the Glam Fam, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.